scrap bin find. Who in their right mind would scrap a Facom ratchet? Huh. Well, maybe they were in their right mind. Let's see here. Need to figure out why this only engages sometimes. I figure the first place to start would be cleaning all the old grease off, because I noticed, like, when I was turning it sometimes, it was getting stuck. And I'm thinking, there's no way it could be that simple. Hold on a second. Well, that was a fail. You gotta be kidding me.
Done.
Let's do a little investigating here. Look at what color the old coagulated oil or grease I wiped out of this is. It's like a milkshake color, like water got in it. You ever seen an engine that blew a head gasket and the oil is kind of the same color? Makes me think water got into this ratchet somehow and maybe coagulated the oil, causing it to get sticky, or did something to the grease. Not that grease isn't already sticky. I did look up rebuilding a round head ratchet, and they say on the internet to grease it, but most of my other ratchets, like say we got this Ward's Master Quality ratchet, says oil. So, well, either way, water intrusion? Perhaps. I'm gonna go pop the top off of this, put some oil in it, and it should be good to go. We have us a working Facom ratchet. taking the spring out. P.S. This is how I have it in the vise. Got a socket on it, and I got a bolt in the vise. It's a good way to hold a ratchet to work on it.